Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite with your MacBook. You have to start by click on time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, you need to go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. After that, we need to enter prank mode. So, open the charging case, and if your earbuds don't connect it with other devices, they will enter to prank mode automatically, and you will see them at the device list. Also, we can enter to prank mode manually. You need to remove your earbuds from the case, and then at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold them, and then you will see them also at the device list. Now, you need to click connect near to your earbuds. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!